Now we are going to look at how to do your online registration for classes. Starting on January 26th, you will see a new button called Course Request show up on your Student View account. Once you log into Student View, you click on this Course Request button and it will take you to a screen that will allow you to register for your classes for next school year. On the screen you will see your name. It will have some information and directions to read, and then you will see areas for selected course requests, alternate elective requests, and then a graduation status summary. The selected course requests will have a list of the courses that you want as your main courses for next school year. You should have 6 classes listed. Alternate elective requests will require 4 classes listed as your alternates to your electives. At the bottom, your graduation status summary, you will see columns with required credits, your completed credits, your in-progress credits, and the credits needed above as your requested courses. You will then have a column of remaining credits that you would need to graduate. So let's get started. Under selected course requests, you may already see some preloaded core classes for your grade level. You can choose to modify these courses if they are not the versions or levels of the courses you wish to take. To get started, you click here to change course requests button. Click on that. Then you can start adding classes in or removing classes if you choose to remove them to replace them with a different level course, for instance an honors or AP course. At the bottom you will see a course ID box and a course title box. Using the pre-registration form that you have completed with your counselor in your English course, you can easily enter in the courses that you plan to take, either by title or by course ID. With your course ID, you can do it in one of 2 ways. You can enter in, for instance, your math, MA 301 will take you directly to your Algebra 2 with trig. You will see request and alternate buttons. You need to highlight request to pick that as your request. You then click here to move selected requests to selected course requests button. Now you see your Algebra 2 with trig course appear under your selected course requests. To continue, you want to add a science course. Let's say, for instance, you're not sure what the exact number is, but you know it's a science course. The first 2 letters of all course codes indicate the department. SC for science will then list all of the science courses that you are able to take. Chemistry was your choice. You hit request, move it to the selected course requests. You now have 4 classes entered and you get to pick 2 electives. PA, Practical Arts, will list all practical art courses offered at Queen Creek High School. Film and TV 1 is your first request. Click here to move requests. You will see Film and TV 1 appear. You want to do a fine art. Let's say you want to register for beginning theater arts. You click on request. Click here to move it. That completes 12 lines, which is 6 courses, which is how much everyone will be entering in as selected course requests. At this time, we are not registering students for 0 hour for next year. There will be limited 0 hour offerings, so we are only allowing you at this time to register for 6 courses. You then need to enter in your alternate elective requests in order of preference, with the top one being the one that you would want first. Let's put in another practical art or CTE course. Let's say you already did first year of Intro to Ag and you want to do the second year of agriculture. You see it did not let me do it. That is, there are a lot of checks and balances in here. The mistake I just made was I clicked request. Since I'm entering in my alternates, I need to put alternate in rather than request. Highlighting alternate will move it to your alternate requests. It will not let you, as you see, add more than 12 lines to your main selected course requests. So I need 3 more alternates. I want a physical education course, so I type in PE. Basic weights would be an alternate. My third alternate choice, another practical art course. Marketing alternate. And one more. Let's say Dance 1 would be my final alternate. Now you will see 8 lines, which is 4 classes, A and B, of each course. You must remember to add in A and B, A being semester 1, B being semester 2 of each course. Once I've completed this, click here to return to course request summary. You will then go to the main page that will have the graduation status summary on it again, and you can review the courses you have entered. Please review this with your parents and make your final selections. You must lock in your course requests no later than February 17th. At February 17th, the window will be closed for you to do online course requests. You must remember, though, that once you lock in your course requests, you cannot go back in and modify anything. So be sure that you are absolutely firm on your decisions before you click that button. You can log out and log back in and make changes, but once you click that Lock Course Requests, you have completed the process. I'm going to go ahead and lock that now, and you will see course requests are locked in, and I cannot go in and make any more changes. If you have any questions, please see the counselors during Achievement Hour in B141 Computer Lab during the weeks that the window is open to do online course requests. Good luck!